Welcome. This is Amy, and these daily messages come through the Council of Highest Light and Deepest Love. Each one is an offering to help you pause, reconnect, and remember the truth of who you are. Let's begin. There's a softness available to you now that comes from realizing this moment does not need your grip. You've learned to hold moments gently but firmly, to stay present, attentive, responsible for how they land. That care has been sincere, and now it is being invited to loosen. This moment does not need to be stabilized. It does not need to be carried across a threshold. It does not need to be preserved. When you stop holding the moment, it does not disappear. It settles. Life is capable of supporting itself without your constant attention. Experience knows how to pass through without being managed. You are allowed to let moments come and go without escort. You are allowed to participate without overseeing. You are allowed to be touched by what arises without securing it. Nothing meaningful is lost when you release your hold. Something natural returns. And so we ask you to reflect. Where are you still holding a moment in order to keep it right? What might change if you allowed experience to move through without your hands on it? To bring this into your day, choose one moment today, a thought, a feeling, an interaction, and notice the impulse to hold it steady. Soften your grip. Let the moment complete itself. And now we bless you, beloved. May you feel the ease of letting life carry its own weight. May you trust the resilience of what unfolds without supervision. May you remember that presence does not require holding, only allowing. If this message has resonated with you, I invite you to subscribe and return tomorrow. Until then, may you walk gently and in the remembrance of love.